Good morning, dear students. So today we start next chapter number 6, the Browning version, written by Terence Rattigan. So, as we discussed yesterday, this chapter has 4 different characters like Croker Harris, Frank, Taplow, and wife of Croker Harris, Mrs. Millie. So, we'll start this one. This is an excerpt from the Browning version. Okay, what is the Browning version? The reference within the play of Robert Browning, as we discussed yesterday. Robert Browning was the love poet of English literature. Translation of the Greek tragedy Agamemnon. Okay, so this chapter has been a part of this Greek tragedy. The scene is set in a school. Frank, a young, and Croker Harris. In a school, Frank is young and Croker Harris middle-aged. Frank is a young teacher and Croker Harris is middle-aged. Both are masters, means teachers. Taplow is a boy of 16, okay, a teenager, who has come in to do extra work for Croker Harris and who has come here in this part to do his work for Croker Harris. But the latter has not yet arrived. But Croker Harris has not arrived, and Frank finds Taplow waiting. And Frank finds Taplow is waiting for Croker Harris to come. Now, we start with Frank. Frank asks one question to Taplow because Taplow is waiting for Croker Harris. The scene is like this. Do I know? No, sir. It means Frank asked this question to Taplow. Does he know him? So answer is negative. What's your name? My name is Taplow. Taplow, no, I don't care. You are not a scientist. I gather. Taplow observed him. I gather means Taplow observed him and finds that he is not a scientist. No, sir, I am still in the lower fifth. Okay, lower fifth semester. I can specialize until next term. Until next term means in next term he will upgrade himself or he will be promoted. That's to say, if I got my remove, all right. It means remove means result. If he gets his result good, then only he will be promoted into next term. Frank, don't you know if you have got your remove? Means don't you know that you have not got your result? You know, dear children, according to Frank, all the masters means teachers, they have declared their result, but we know Croker Harris is a follower of rules, so he has not done this job before the concerned date. No, sir, Mr. Croker Harris does not tell us the results like the other masters. Other master means other subject teachers, they have declared their result to the children, but Croker Harris did not do it yet. Has not done it yet. Why not? Frank asked the reason. Taplow says, well, you know what he is like, sir. What he is like means here this sentence is, you can say, complimentary as well as commentative. Frank says, I believe there is a rule that form results should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of term. This is the rule, that the result will be declared on the very last day of the session. Okay, like we declare result on 31st. It is just a belief. Otherwise, most commonly the result declares in the month of March. Okay, for non-board classes nowadays. But here it is also supposed that the And this is a rule that the result will declare on the very last day of the term. Term means the last working day of the session. Yes. Tableau says yes. But who else pays attention to it? But who else gives attention to this particular rule? Except Mr. Crocker Harris. It means nobody cared for the rule. Only Mr. Crocker Harris has not declared his result so far now. Frank, I admit. Means he knows, and he is sure that he knows the rule and he is the only one person. Means Crocker Harris is the only one teacher in the school who has not declared his result. But there is no criterion. But there is no criteria for all these things. So you have got to wait until tomorrow to know your fate. Have you? That means Frank give the suggestion to Tableau to wait for tomorrow, because tomorrow will result will be declared. Tomorrow will be the last day of the session. Okay. Tableau, yes sir, of course. There is no other option except to wait. Frank, supposing the answer is favorable. Frank thinks that the answer will be favorable, means the result will be favorable. What then? Tableau, oh, science sir, of course. It means Tableau is a student of science stream, and he has some kind of you can say uh, he has some kind of doubts regarding his result. Frank, sadly, means he is, yes, we get all the slackers. Frank, the teacher, said slackers. Slackers means a person who is lazy in doing some kind of work, any kind of work, even especially. So, protestingly, Tableau protests all the children. I am extremely interested in science. See, here he expresses some kind of sorrow regarding science. But as he heard this word slacker from the mouth of Frank, suddenly he protects not only himself but all the students of science stream. And I am extremely interested in science. Then he changed his tone. Sir, I am extremely interested in science. Are you? I am not. Frank says, are you? I am not means this person is not. Not at least in the science I have to teach. It means he does not teach science. Well, anyway, sir, it's a good deal more exciting than this muck. Okay, indicating this book. Muck means some kind of nonsense, you can say, thing that is not good as per somebody's perception. So muck means you can say unimportant thing simply. So here Tableau points out to a book and he said this is muck, means understanding, not useful, okay, not meaningful. Frank, what is this muck? Aeschylus. Aeschylus, sir, the Agamemnon. And dear children, what is Agamemnon? The Greek tragedy, from where this whole chapter, the Browning version, has been taken. Okay, Frank, and your considered view that the Agamemnon is a muck. It means, Frank says, according to Tableau, this Greek tragedy, Agamemnon, is a muck, is unimportant, is useless, is out of use. Tableau, well, no, sir. I don't think the play is muck. This tragedy is muck. Exactly, I suppose in a way it's rather a good plot, really. Now, these three lines, children, these three lines are the outline of this Greek tragedy. What is the content of this one? In 3 lines, he tells us like a wife murdering her husband, a wife murders her husband, and all that. I only meant the way it's taught to us. It means the children, like Tableau, they have to read this tragedy in which a wife murders her husband. Just a lot of Greek words strung together and filthy lines if you get them wrong. It means here only one thing: a wife murders her husband, and some filthy means you simply I should say some high sounding Greek words are there. Okay, if you get them wrong, it means if you take them, if you understand them on the other way, means wrong side. Frank, you sound a little bitter. Taplo. Frank tells you a little bitter means the words are so sour. Words are hard here. It means somehow Taplo has commented on the Greek words used in this Greek tragedy Agamemnon. Taplo, I am rather, sir. A little bit I am. Captain. No, sir. Captain means keep on. Keep the things with you. These words with you, no need to disclose them openly. No, sir. Extra work. Now, here, Taplo points out extra work. And what is extra work? We will get to know right now. Extra work on the last day of school. It means here, Frank says that extra work on the last day of the school, how it could be possible. Here, this line is full of surprise, in which Frank was surprised to listen this word from Taplo. Now Taplo explained this thing. Yes, sir, and I might be playing golf. You would think he would have enough to do anyway himself, considering he is leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed a day last week when I was ill. Okay, it means one lecture was missed by Taplo because of his illness. So here I am, and look at the weather, sir. It means Taplo here gives reason to Frank that one day he was ill, and due to illness he could not attend one lecture of Croker Harris. That's why Croker Harris has given him extra work on the last day of the session. And even in the last line, the student Taplo points out to the weather. Weather is so nice right now. Then Frank, bad luck means the bad luck of Taplo. Still, there is one comfort. You are pretty well certain to get your removed tomorrow. Means to say, Frank knows it very well. Tomorrow he will get his result. He will get his results for being a good boy in taking extra work. It means today he has come with extra work. It means he is a good boy. And tomorrow result will be declared. Of course, he will be benefited. So here Frank points out two things: that tomorrow will be result day, and of course he will get some extra benefit of taking extra work. Now Taplo, well, I'm not so sure, sir. Taplo says, I'm not so sure that I will be benefited. The reason he says, that would be true of the ordinary masters, all right. Means this kind of benefit, if he gets, then that this is common for other masters, not for Croker Harris. They just would not dare to give a chap a remove after his taking extra work. Means all the other master, they would not give extra work. Okay, chap means a boy. Okay, but those sort of rules don't apply to apply to the croc. See, in flow, Taplo spoke this thing, the croc. So here Taplo make it ensure that all these rules are applying on other masters but not on the croc. And suddenly he correct himself, Mr. Croker Harris. It means among students, Croker Harris might have a different name, the croc, like Taplo said it now. I asked him yesterday outright if he had given me a remove, and do you know what he said, sir? Now here Taplo speaks to Frank, and he tells him that last night, means yesterday I asked him to give him result. And when I asked this question to give me my result on that day, and what he said, then Frank says, no, how could I know? I was not involved in the talking or the conversation. Then he says, Taplo tells this thing, what he said, imitating a very gentle, rather throat voice. Now here, Taplo imitates or mimics of the Crocker Harris. The Croc, I should say, the Croc, like him, Mr. Crocker Harris. What he says, what Taplo says, my dear Taplo, I have given you exactly what you deserve. Now, these are the words of Mr. Crocker Harris to Taplo. My dear Taplo, I have given you exactly what you deserve, no less and certainly no more. Means, if we talk about grades or marks, Crocker Harris would be saying, like, my dear Taplo, I have given you whatever you deserve, not less than this and not more than this. Do you know, sir? I think he may have marked me down. Means Crocker Harris has given him less grade or less mark according to Taplo rather than up for taking extra work or giving extra work. I mean, the man's hardly human. Here, this one, see, this is just a comment on the behavior or the approach of Mr. Crocker Harris by Taplo, and here he says the man's hardly human. Means this person, Crocker Harris, has hardly any humanity in his mind or brain. He breaks off quickly. Means suddenly he stopped. Sorry sir, have I gone too far? Means did I speak something more? So here this sentence shows that Taplo somehow has some kind of angry intuitions for Crocker Harris for giving him extra work on the last day of the session. Yes, much too far. Frank says, oh, obviously you have gone too far. Sorry sir, I got carried away. It means he was taken away in the flow of his emotions. Evidently, he picks up a newspaper. Frank picks a newspaper and opens it. Taplo, yes sir. He asked to Taplo, yes sir. What was that Crocker Harris said to you? Now Frank asked, what was the thing that Crocker Harris said to you? Just repeat it, would you? Now Frank knowingly asked this question, whatever the matter or whatever the words did that Crocker Harris delivered to him, can you repeat these words? Now my dear children, here Taplo again imitate the teacher Crocker Harris. My dear Taplo, I have given you exactly what you deserve, no less and certainly no more. Dear children, second time Taplo imitates his teacher Crocker Harris. Then Frank, looking severe, not in the least like him. Read your nice Aeschylus and be quiet. Frank suggests him to read this tragedy and keep silence. Taplo, with this like Aeschylus, means this child does not want to read this Aeschylus, means the Greek tragedy. Okay, so today that's all for reading of this chapter, and I just tell you what we read. In the beginning, we have a discussion about Crocker Harris and a conversation between Frank and Taplo. Okay, so next part of the chapter we will be reading in next video. Till then, take care, be healthy. Thank you.